In front of me is iPad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. All you need to do is launch Photos and then hit one of those options at the top. When you're ready, click on Select at the top right corner and tap on Select All at the bottom left ones. Now to keep some of those selected photos, tap on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use bin icon at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!